Hello everyone, I just want to make a quick review of this SBD Dauntless model set from Amazon for 17 bucks. And it has been, well, first off, I'll start off by saying that obviously I didn't paint this and I pretty much just built this with my kid in about an hour or two just for fun. So it's not built that well, but it is pretty much the second model I've bought in probably over 20 years. And there are a few things I just want to state about it. First off, I mean, it is $17, which is super cheap. But there's a lot of good things about this model. First off, kind of, as I said, I used to do these models 20 plus years ago, and most of them did not have parts that move. So pretty much everything on this plane moves. So the flaps open, the wheels open up. So I kind of didn't finish this bottom part with the bomb bay correctly, but so you can see the wheels open up, the propeller spins, even this hook for the aircraft carrier landing spins. And overall, I think that is pretty cool for a model. As I said, I'm used to them having nothing that moves at all. Now to note just a few things to know about this model itself. First off, for the wheels. So there's a little piece that's supposed to fit here in the corner that keeps the wheels open and straight. However, that piece doesn't really fit. So if you actually want to make it so that the wheels open up, stay, and that you could place the plane down on these wheels, you will need to kind of file a little area here on each corner, which I did not do, and thus the plane doesn't really stand as the wheels open like this or they fold all the way. Another thing to note that some of the pieces, especially for the fuselage, the wings, the main large parts, the plastic that attaches them to the mold is very thick, so just be careful because it's pretty easy to break. So just make sure you have a good knife and you're able to cut it off correctly, because if you don't, you could just rip off a piece of the model. So those are really the main things I just wanted to note. The model is fairly straightforward, fairly easy to build. There's nothing else I can really think of noting for it. And so it's really just this wheel part. And another thing I did actually want to say is that it does not have any kind of stand. And when I was a kid, all the models had a little stand that you could place them on. So this is not the case for this model. But all in all, it really is pretty cool. This thing they got, trying to get this machine gun. There we go. Even the machine gun moves. It has no glue on it there. So if you're looking for something budget, this is definitely it. It's something that's just fun, easy to build. You can build in one night. Show your kid or just have fun by yourself, and just, obviously you can paint this and make it look professional, but that's clearly not what I did. So those are my thoughts. If you're not sure about this model, go for it. It's definitely a budget starter kit, and the fact that all these parts move will definitely make it more fun for the kids or even for yourself. So yeah, those are my 2 cents. Hope that helps.